It is the most incredible way of improving anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress. Just getting out with nature and enjoying the world around us, taking it all in, putting all our worries behind us. And yes, we shouldn't forget some of the terrible things going on in the world. And we should work and strive to make the world a better place so that everybody can enjoy nature. But you need to take a break, turn off the news, go out wherever you may be, because the world is full of beautiful places, many in your own backyard.